The 12th generation Intel Core i5-1235U processor. The HP 15-inch laptop comes with a 45W Smart AC power adapter and goes from 0 to 50% charge in 45 minutes. Plus, made with the planet in mind, this HP notebook is EPEAT Silver registered and Energy Star certified. With a long battery life and fast charge technology, this laptop lets you work, watch, and stay connected all day. Integrated precision touchpad with multi-touch support speeds up both navigation and productivity. Enjoy comfortable computing with a flicker-free screen and experience reliable performance. Go anywhere. See what's new on your favorite streaming apps with a strong Wi-Fi 6 connection and take your shows to go in this lightweight laptop. Daily use and task management. 16 GB RAM memory makes it possible to easily switch between applications so you can listen to a new playlist, plan a trip, and message the group chat all at once. Expand your view. Micro Edge bezel. Full HD IPS screen maximizes the 15.6-inch display to make use of crisp Intel, Iris Xe graphics. Storage for your memories. 512 GB solid-state drive storage is 15x faster than a traditional hard drive and has plenty of room to store your precious photos, funny videos, and important HP 15.6-inch laptop, FHD display, 12th Gen Intel Core, i5 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, Intel Iris Xe graphics, Windows 11 Home, 15 die, 5399 NR 2023. Reliable performance for every day. Tackle your busiest days with the performance of a 12th generation Intel Core i5-1235U processor and save more of what you love with abundant storage for all your photos, videos, and documents. Do more all day, designed to keep you productive and entertained from anywhere. The HP 15.6-inch laptop PC combines long-lasting battery life with a thin and portable micro-edge bezel design. Take it anywhere. A thin and light design lets you take this PC anywhere and still enjoy a micro-edge display with vivid and flicker-free.